You should make your own YouTube channel. Like, YouTube is so big, the potential is limitless. There's an audience for everybody, for everything. It's stupid if you wouldn't make a YouTube channel. You feel me? Everybody's on the consumer mindset. Or watching everything, buying everything, wasting their time on everything. Like, if you watch a YouTuber, why wouldn't you be a YouTuber? You don't even have to show your face. If you like something, if you like anime, you can make literally an anime YouTube channel where you talk about anime all day, and people will be like, yo, damn, that's actually fire. I like you. You're gonna be like, wow, I can talk to anime with people. That's what I really want to do. But instead, I just talk with random people in real life because they don't fuck with me otherwise. You feel me? Do you. Be your own boss. Be your own king. Make your own kingdom. You have all the potential in the world. You have everything in your own fucking computer. I'm recording this on my iPhone. You feel me? I ain't recording this on my MacBook or my camera or whatever. You feel me? This is just raw. You can literally do this yourself, but you gotta start. And some people will say, "Yeah, I don't really want to start." Why not? You feel me? It's not that hard. It's just posting a video, talk what you want to talk about, and once you're building a community and people will start to fuck with you, you're gonna be like, "Damn, this shit is really great." You feel me? I'm here to build a community of people that want to improve themselves and keep it real. Like, a lot of people want to improve, but they don't keep it real. They don't keep it a stack. You feel me? If I fuck up, I fuck up. And I say that I fucked up. You feel me? I ain't gonna care to nobody. I ain't even gonna care to myself. Why would I do that? That's a disgrace to me. Why would I care? Because it's easier, or because I don't want to tell them. No, if I don't want to tell you, I'm not going to tell you. It's that simple. I'm not going to get my way into pussy because that's just what lame niggas do. And guess what? We ain't no lame niggas. We the realest. We trying to become the realest. The best version of ourselves. That's the realest. I'm not the realest yet. I'm improving, but the realest is the best version of yourself. You feel me? The realest version of yourself. The leader, the person that everybody respects. Not the capper that trying to fit in, that fakes it till they make it. Nah, bro, you make it and you live it, and you ain't no fucking egotistical ass nigga. You humble about it. You stay low key. You do your thing. You enjoy in life, and you are real. You feel me? When people need their fight, they come to you. They know you're not gonna judge them. You know you're just real. You feel me? And it's not about being the real. It's about making your own channel. If you wanna make channels about cats, you can make a channel about cats. But just start it out. You feel me? Start your own thing. Start getting your own papers. Start getting something for yourself, because the virus showed us that your job isn't even stable. You can lose your job the next day. So why not want a second income or a third income or anything else? And once you start doing this, you're gonna realize that then this is actually really fun. Like, people commenting on your videos is like, I don't care about no views. Like, the views is fun, I'm not gonna care. But when I see somebody commenting on my videos, that I'm like, damn, bro, that's an actual person really commenting. You feel me? That's love. You feel me? I want to build a community of real people that want to self-improve. So if you're trying to self-improve as well, make a videos, make a YouTube channel, make your own videos. I don't know about what, I don't care about what, just start. You feel me? It's be a boy Dada, aka the realest. You got this. We got this all together. Start a channel. You make what you want to make. Start getting the bank up. Start being independent in your life. You feel me? Shit, man. See you on the next one. Peace out.